Hello, I'm in a Mazda CX-9 2011, and today I'm going to show you how to connect a phone to your Bluetooth settings, and you do this through the voice commands. And this should work for a Mazda model that has kind of similar layout to this, with these buttons over here. Obviously there's different kinds with touchscreens and whatnot, but this tutorial is for this style. A lot of your Mazda 3s, this obviously CX-9. Some of the other models should all have something similar to this in relatively close era. But yeah, so these will connect you to your voice commands. And then we're going to walk through the setup menu and then to the pairing options. Most models are limited to 3 phones. Some I believe can have up to 7. So should you already have a few connected, you might have to delete a phone first in order for this to work. Which I can show you how to do that as well in this tutorial. But yeah, we'll get started just to show you to get to the main screen. And then I'm recording from my phone, so I won't be able to show you your Bluetooth settings, but pretty much all phones are somewhat standard. You go to you turn on your Bluetooth on your phone, and then you go to your pairing options for whatever particular phone you have, and then you'll be in the mode to search for a new device when it gets to that point. And then it's going to be called Mazda. So, and that's it. And then it'll show you typically the passcode that you'll need, or there'll be like a 4-digit code. It should display it up here or on your phone. It probably varies by model. But yeah, I'll get started on this. So these will get you started.
Available options are,
and I just
call,
waited so
dial,
you could see these.
Redial, phone book, emergency, voice training, tutorial, or setup, or say cancel.
So this
to
case we need setup. So setup.
Select one of the following. Pairing options. Confirmation prompts. Select phone, language, or passcode.
Pairing options.
Select one of the following. Pair, edit, delete, or list.
Pair.
Please say a 4-digit.
So at this point, depending on your model, it might say a 4-digit here. In probably most models, if you're on your phone in the pairing mode searching for new device for your Mazda, on the screen it would tell you whatever that 4-digit code is. So it's typically would be
573. Is this correct?
Typically it would say something like 0000. There could be a chance it's a different 4-digit number, but it'll tell you, like I said, either here or like I said on that display model on your phone when you're searching for the device and trying to connect to the Mazda. But that's how you connect. And then I'll walk you through real briefly how to delete a phone as well. Say there's already 3 phones connected, it might then be throwing you an error. So we'll go through those settings again, but it'll be setup.
Select one of the following. Pairing options. Confirmation prompts. Select phone, language, or passcode.
Pairing options.
Select one of the following. Pair, edit, delete, or list.
Delete.
Please say 2, 4, 3, 4, or all.
All.
Deleting all devices. Is this correct?
Yes.
Available options are yes or no, or say cancel to return to main menu.
Yes.
Deleted.
So that's it. Pretty simple. And then yeah, same. You can go in there and you can, I believe you can change the names of each phone that you set up. Obviously delete and then repair phones, whatever makes the most sense to you. And then I have another video also, but you can also set a passcode if you want. It's also 4 digits, but that just simply locks, or if you disable it, leaves unlocked all your activation settings so that nobody would be able to go through these button options without knowing that 4-digit passcode first. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful and useful to you. I'd appreciate a like and subscribe if you're able. But otherwise, any comments or questions you might have, please leave in the comments, and I'll help as best as I can. Hope you have a wonderful day.